Hi Bailey, I think your layouts for your portfolio and your leave behind are excellent. I am curious if you have anything going on. One thing though you want to be consistent is with space. Like the styling is fantastic, but the spaces should be the same. Like this is short, this is big. That's something you'll do in print design all the time. It should be consistent. Anyway, this mug looks great. Make me want to make some. Such a great idea. And then I'm going to look at your website. You showed me the print, but I might as well look. Okay, so this is fantastic. The hello there is wonderful. I like your type design. It's real simple. Very limited use of that stretched out tracking, which looks great. Okay, this is lining up right. I like the touch of leaf. It's a very great color. I'm glad you moved this drawing down. I think you've got a good arrangement. I love this Bank of Odessa logo. I think that's beautiful, and I love that you showed the close-up texture. All this stuff is strong. Now, I wasn't trying to hurt your feelings about this, but as somebody who I've drawn my whole life and I've taken a lot of life drawing classes. The eyes that are sort of close together really stand out to me as an error. However, if you make this more stylized, less realistic, like I wouldn't shade her arms. I wouldn't try to make it look realistic at all. Like what you've done with the palm trees, sort of cartoony. I would push that look even further. So something to consider if you're going to keep this piece. And again, remember I mentioned the drop shadow is not a contemporary look. Just keep that in mind. Otherwise, your resume looks fantastic. Art Institute Pittsburgh. Um, all right. Da, da, da. Oh, you won a prize there. That's fantastic. Excellent. References. And it's cool that the default is your honors. I like that also you're not showing one of those graphs of your experience. That's completely arbitrary. I wish people would stop doing it. Co-manager of a shoe place, intern, freelance. You can even push that date back. Like, did you do it in high school? Like, nobody checks that. And the longer you did it, the better. That's great. All right, overall, I think your website, your work is a big success. I hope you keep in touch. Let me know if you have any questions.